Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man.
Hello, everybody. Staff Sergeant Nanos here, United States Army recruiter here in Mission Viejo, California. Sitting beside me is PFC Kyle Stromberg.
That's me.
All right, Private Class Stromberg. Tell everybody about yourself.
I am a 15 Tango. I grew up here in Irvine, which is like about 10 miles south of Mission Viejo. I went to Northwood High School, and then from there I went to Santiago Canyon College. Did that for 2 years, got my AA degree in liberal arts. Decided that the schooling wasn't for me, so I went on to do bigger and better things, joined the Army.
Alright. Well, now, yes, you're on the Army, you went active duty, but you were a walk-in, so what brought you into the office to, decided to enlist into the United States Army?
I've always kind of had it in my back of my mind that I wanted to join. And then a couple of my buddies actually are in the military, so they kind of was like, "Here, this is gonna be good for you." So.
All right. So why the Army over, Marines, Air Force, Navy, Coast Guard?
Basically because the Army lets you pick your job for the most part, as long as you can qualify for it. And that was, yeah.
All right. So you were young, fit, healthy, not criminal individual.
Yeah.
High school grad. You had that college behind you,
Right.
and you did, you did very well in the ASVAB. You got a 73, correct?
Yeah, 73.
All right. So you're qualified. And you qualified for a long list of jobs. What job did you pick?
I ended up going with the 15 Tango, which is Black Hawk Repair helicopters. And then eventually you can be crew chief with that. So
Very awesome job.
yeah.
All right. Then you went active, opposed to reserve. Why did you do that?
For the benefits, and I was really just ready to get out of the house, and that was the best way to do it.
All right. Now you went to basic training, which is 9.5 weeks. Where did you go? Fort Jackson, South Carolina.
Jackson,
correct?
South
Okay.
Carolina.
How was that?
It was good. It was good. I'd say the hardest part was adjusting to the time. I'm originally like a big sleeper, so that's an issue. That's kind of, I don't know. You'll get used to it, because you only get like 6 hours sleep a night at most. But that's pretty much the biggest thing.
6 hours, a lot more than you got, but
Really?
all right.
Relaxing Jackson.
Yep, exactly. All right. So your job training, your AIT training, was in Virginia. We're at
Fort Eustis.
Fort Eustis, Virginia. Okay. So did 9.5 weeks at Jackson, and then you went to Fort Eustis for how long?
16 weeks.
16 weeks, just
Yeah.
basically.
Working
Kinda like-
on helicopters.
There you
And,
go.
yeah, that's about it.
Was it the schedule a little more lax, or was it?
It was, yeah. And then once you get into a different phase status, you can go off post on the weekend, which was cool.
Did you enjoy Virginia? Did you travel around? Did you see anything? No.
I went to Virginia Beach, which was really
All right,
cool.
there you go.
Yeah,
It's not like the West Coast, but
yeah. So it gets more relaxed towards AIT. You get a lot more freedom, which is nice, especially coming from basic training.
now you're here doing the hometown recruiter program. So you'll be here for the next, 10 days. I think you'll be on the 13th, I believe.
Right.
Then you're off to your first duty station. So where's that at?
It's going to be in Hawaii, Wheeler Air Force Base.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm pretty pumped.
You've been in Hawaii before.
Yeah, it's in Maui for vacation and whatnot.
Right now you'll be doing that for the
Now I'm going to be living there.
2 to
so
3 years.
it's gonna be sweet.
Working on helicopters. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So give me like a short-term goal. Are you planning to stay in after your first enlistment, or?
Mhm. Yeah, I do plan on staying in. I mean, going back to my job selection, I've always wanted to fly, so eventually I'm gonna put in my flight packet and hopefully go the warrant officer route. So with that said, if I do make it that far, then I plan on staying in for a while,
Good. I mean,
longer than
come chief warrant officer, you might as well just retire.
right.
Be
At
20.
that point.
I'm already halfway.
Yeah.
I'm 27, so good.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I appreciate your time sitting here.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you guys viewing. Like always, stay tuned for my future videos of my hometown recruiters, and have a great 4th of July weekend. Be safe.
American girls and American guys, we'll always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize when we see Old Glory flying. There's a lot of men dead, so we can sleep in peace at night when we lay down our head. My daddy served in the army, where he lost his right eye, but he flew a flag out in our yard till the day that he died. He wanted my mother, my brother, my sister, and me to grow up and live happy in the land of the free. Now this nation that I love is falling under attack. A mighty sucker punch came flying in from somewhere in the back. Soon as we could see clearly through our big black eye, man, we lit up your world like the 4th of July. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list, and the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist, and the eagle will fly, and it's gonna be here when you hear Mother Freedom start